Hey guys, welcome to HPI Auto. Today I have here is a 991.1 base car. Now this owner he bought this car probably 2 years ago and he built it into his own and it's super cool, and I want to kind of do a product highlight and show what can be done with this car after you buy it. To start off with, we have the GTS front bumper. Like the other cars I said, by OEM, by all the brackets, get everything right. As you see, this looks awesome. They did go over the mesh grills here to add a little bit of flair. He did a kind of a different paint setup here where he has the black paint up front. Carbon fiber surrounds on the headlights with the blacked out headlights. Same smoked side marker here that matches well with the headlight. It's lowered a little bit, nothing too crazy. We have the gyro disc brakes with the yellow calipers, kind of give that carbon ceramic look, which looks awesome in my opinion. The carbon fiber wind diffusers, so yeah, it doesn't buffer the air inside the car. Carbon fiber side mirror overlays. 991.2 rear end on this car, also along with our 991.2 taillight. So a nice little update look. Of course, you have the side vents and everything because those cars are turbo. Tech Art wing, so it's the duckbill, the wing, and a little bit of the risers. I don't think they make this product anymore for this car, but I think he got one of the last ones, but it looks phenomenal. Gives that nice kind of that Aero Kit Plus look. As far as performance modifications goes, kept it kind of simple. We have the BMC drop-in intake filter, IPD plenum, Soul Sport Cat, which I think are the 200 cell cat, and we have a Soul muffler back exhaust as well that's valved. Something cool we did along the lines of the valved exhaust is we actually went through this car, set it up to be like the factory Porsche Sport exhaust. What that entails is running the module code into the car and replacing that center stack button to where you have the exhaust button, and just like it would come from factory, hit the exhaust button, exhaust works. On the interior is where he got really in depth with the car. So we got these door panels. These are the factory door panels, but we added the red stitching, which looks phenomenal. We did it kind of everywhere like it would be from factory with the carbon fiber inlay. Kick panel is red leather stitched. The red seat belts with also the actual seat belt part, red stitched with the Porsche logo. Steering wheel, leather with the red stitch and the red leather center mark. The fuse panel cover is leather, red stitch. The steering column, leather, red stitch. Dash, leather, red stitch. The sun visors, leather, red stitched. The car also came with a regular center console lid. We bought one that had the Porsche emblem on there and then added the red stitching. The dash as well. We did the dash all red stitching along with all the vents and speaker covers. Of course, this shift knob is an upgrade to a carbon fiber shift knob, and the leather and red stitching boot to go along with it. The aluminum pedals with the throttle pedal extender for the heel toe. Added fire extinguisher down here, and then also a Porsche umbrella to go along with it. So as you can see, this person that bought this car really wanted to buy a car and make it his own. And I think it's super cool, because no matter how you take it from Porsche, you can't quite go to this extent. You can get really close, but not quite to this extent. And he's a true car enthusiast and truly loves his cars, and he said, hey, this is the car that I want, this is the color that I want, and I'm gonna do whatever it takes to get the way I want it to look. Money no option, but it doesn't matter. He has the car he wants, he built it the way he wants it, and I think it's super cool. And the amount of detail he went through with this car is amazing, and I think it's probably the best base 991 out there, period. I can't wait to see what else he comes up with to do with this car. I'm excited to go on the journey with him. I'm not sure what else he can do, but either way, I'm excited about it. If there's something that interests you at all, or have any questions about some of the stuff he did and how we were able to work with him and get this stuff done, please feel free to reach out, leave a comment below. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.